Small action cameras are all the rage these days, and the GoPro Hero 4 continues to set the benchmark when it comes to both quality and functionality. That doesn't mean it's the best at everything though, and just like other action cameras, audio quality can leave a little to be desired. Not anymore with the Removu M1 and A1. First came the fantastic Removu A1, offering a means to change camera settings as well as providing a live stream. Then there was the Removu P1, allowing the use of your own LCD touch backpack wirelessly. There's no doubt Removu have certainly made a name for themselves. Now they take things a step further with their newest GoPro accessory, providing a wireless audio input for the GoPro, even with the camera in its waterproof housing. Within the attractive packaging, users will find two accessories. The A1 kit contains the receiver, which connects directly to the GoPro just like any standard backpack, along with a USB charging cable, while the M1 kit offers the actual microphone, complete within its waterproof housing, along with a windscreen for use in windy environments, as well as a microphone clip and a GoPro adapter. Finally, some Removu stickers and a user guide finish off the package. With some Removu branding, matte black in colour and plastic in construction, the A1 receiver module is the same size as any standard GoPro backpack, meaning any standard backpack back door is completely compatible, although one is not supplied with the package, so you'll need to provide your own. A single sliding power switch and Bluetooth pairing button are the only controls found on the device. The rear has that typical attachment hinge with a plastic port connector, since the unit does not interface with the GoPro via its port. It does this with the mini USB port found on the side of the device, which will become clear shortly. Nevertheless, the A1 firmly secures onto the GoPro just like any other backpack. The unit will not draw any power from the GoPro, so you'll still get the usual shooting times, while a micro USB port on the side of the A1 is used for charging its own internal battery. Upon first glance, I was a little concerned about this rear exposed cable, but there's actually good reason for it. The ribbon cable can be removed, and after attaching the A1 to the camera, it provides a means to connect the unit directly to the GoPro, while maintaining an almost completely thin profile, meaning the unit fits into your standard GoPro housing, no other accessories to purchase. When not in use, it stores safely away into the rear of the A1. As it stands, the Removu A1 is ready to be paired with any Bluetooth 4 compatible microphone, providing a direct audio feed into the GoPro. Nevertheless, Removu conveniently supply a microphone within the package, which makes up the other half of the kit, the M1. The M1 microphone comes complete in waterproof housing, which allows sound to pass its thin built-in membrane, but does not allow water to penetrate through. Perfect for recording audio from the pool, on the surf, or in generally wet conditions. For optimal audio capture though, the M1 can easily be removed from the housing by releasing the top cover, held in place with a clip on either side. The microphone capsule is small and very lightweight with a plastic construction and a single Removu logo. On one side, users will find the power and Bluetooth buttons alongside a status LED, and other than a micro USB charging port hidden under a rubber flap, the remainder of the unit is free from any other function. For times when the waterproof housing is not required, a windscreen is provided for use in windy conditions. While when it comes to mounting the microphone, the included clip slides into the rear of the device and locks into place, now providing the means to attach the microphone to your person. Alternatively, a GoPro mount is also provided, perfect for blending the microphone into the GoPro mounting ecosystem. When used within its waterproof housing, thankfully the same clips can also be used by sliding and locking directly into the back. As a combination, the hardware looks solid, although it's all in the performance. Thankfully, pairing is a simple procedure. With the A1 switched on, a long press of the Bluetooth button places the A1 into pairing mode, allowing the connection of any Bluetooth microphone of your choosing. Similarly, with the M1 powered, a long press of the Bluetooth button also places it into pairing mode, after which it automatically connects to the A1. It really is as easy as that. The audio will now be captured from the M1 and fed directly into the GoPro video stream. So all looks good on the hardware front, but how does it perform? So with GoPro mounted on the other side of the vehicle at the moment, the audio you're hearing is being captured directly from the GoPro's own internal microphones. The GoPro is mounted in its frame housing, so the microphones are not obstructed in any way. With the Removu Bluetooth microphone now enabled, you should be hearing me loud and clear. The microphone is pinned just to a cable just above me here. I didn't want it scratching against any of my clothes, just so we've got a good representation of the audio quality. Bear in mind, you can connect any other Bluetooth headset or Bluetooth microphone to the Removu A1 BacPac, so you do have the option, but I found this microphone to be small and convenient. Hopefully it will have the audio quality to match. I've moved the GoPro so it's outside the vehicle in this clip, just to demonstrate that audio input is coming directly from the Removu M1 microphone itself, completely wirelessly and not from the GoPro's own internal microphones. When using the Removu within its waterproof housing, just like the GoPro, audio can be a little more muffled. Therefore, Removu have built in an audio amplification feature, increasing the sensitivity. Pressing the pairing button on the A1 will enable this, with a simultaneous red and blue LED confirming it's active. So in this clip, the audio you're hearing is from the Removu M1 microphone. This time it's in its waterproof housing. The audio amplification feature on the A1 BacPac has been enabled, so you should still hear me loud and clear. Now this is a great scenario for wet weather conditions like these at the moment at the outside. Also it's very good for snow or in and around the pool. Now bear in mind, Bluetooth is still a radio signal, and radio signals don't travel very well underwater, so it's probably not ideal for diving, anything more than very shallow water, and you're going to get quite a bit of distortion. Okay, so in this test we're out in an open area away from the vehicle background noise. I have the Removu M1 microphone mounted to a hand grip. I'm holding it directly in front of me. It's not in waterproof housing, it is in its foam windscreen, so to take away some of that wind noise that we've got in the background at the moment. With the Removu A1, users are able to connect any third-party Bluetooth microphone to record crisp audio straight into their GoPro video feed. Better still, thanks to the low-profile USB connector, the entire unit can fit straight into standard GoPro housings, so no extra housings are required. Couple that with the Removu M1 and users can now add high-quality sound to their GoPro video feed from up to 40 meters away, even in wet environments thanks to that waterproof housing. It's not completely perfect and background noise is evident in some scenarios, but it's a huge improvement over the GoPro microphones and provides the flexibility to add commentary into your video feed even at a distance. In addition, I would have preferred a means to operate the M1 without the need to remove it from its housing each time, but nonetheless throughout testing the unit worked wonderfully well. No dropped connections and the audio stream was consistent throughout. Coupled with the high build quality we've come to expect from Removu, and I've been left well impressed. When it comes to wireless audio for your GoPro, there's no contest. The Removu M1 and A1 kit is certainly the one to go for.